Happy morning, children. Today our session is English reading and writing. I had already given homeworks in the previous class. Hope you all had finished that. Now let's move on to today's topic. Take page 8 in your literacy skills book. Take page 8. Now we are going to record. Just read along with me. N for needle. N for needle. O for one. O for one. P for pen. P for pen. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rocket. R for rocket. S for saw. S for saw. T for tortoise. T for tortoise. U for underwear. U for underwear. V for volcano. V for volcano. W for whistle. W for whistle. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Z for zigzag. Z for zigzag. Turn over to page 11 now. Take your pencil and eraser. We are going to write now. Look at the picture given and tell me what is this. Now come on, tell me what is this. This is monkey. M for monkey. Trace the letter first and write capital M near to it. And what is this? This is mat. M for mat. Trace the letter first and then write small m near to it. And who is it? This is nurse. N for nurse. Trace the letter and write capital N nearby. And what is this? This is net. N for net. Trace small n and write the letter near to it. What is this? This is owl. O for owl. Write O near to it. O for octopus. O for octopus. Trace the letter O and write small o near to it. And what is this? This is pencil. P for pencil. Trace capital P and write capital P nearby. And what is this? This is parrot. P for parrot. Trace small p and write small p near to it. And who is it? This is queen. Q for queen. Trace the letter Q and write capital Q near to it. And what is this? This is quilt. This is quilt. Trace the letter Q and write small q near to it. And what is this? R for rat. R for rat. Trace capital R and write capital R near to it. And what is this? This is rose. Trace small r and write small r near to it. And what is this? This is sun. S for sun. Trace letter S and write capital S near to it. And what is this? This is star. S for star. Trace small s and write small s nearby. Then move on to page 15. Odd one out. Odd one out. Already I had told you in odd one out we have to circle the pictures that begin with the same letter sound. We have to circle the pictures that begin with the same letter sound. Here listen. Jug, jar, fox. Jug, jar, fox. Here jug and jar both here begins with the same letter sound. J, J. So we have to circle jug and jar. The next one, listen. Juice, king, kite. Juice, king, kite. Here king and kite both begins with the same letter sound. So we have to circle king and kite. In the same way here, ear, lock, line. Ear, lock, line. Here L and L. So we have to circle both this. And next one is mango, I, mat. Mango, I, mat. Here mango and mat both begins with the same letter sound M. So we have to circle both mango and mat. Next one is N. Leaf, nest, net. Leaf, nest, net. Here nest and net both begins with the same letter sound. So we have to circle nest and net. Go to the next page and here is your homework. I will read it and you have to circle. Orange, axe, owl. Parrot, pencil, bat. Quilt, pot, queen. Duck, rose, rainbow. Same as the before, you have to circle the pictures that begin with the same letter sound. So you have to circle orange and owl. In the same way, you have to complete all these. Next, take your alphabet small book, page 1. Take your pencil and eraser. Put today's date in the top, 12/6/2020. First, trace the pattern and complete the page as I do. Do it neatly and very carefully. Don't scribble in the book. Keep your note clean and neat. Don't scribble in the book. Keep your book clean and neat. This is for your writing practice. So do it very carefully. Practice it at home. And our classwork has finished. And the page 2 is for homework. Look at carefully and complete it neatly and clearly. And this is your homework. Now take your handwriting book, turn over to page 7. Trace and complete the slanting line as given in the book. Trace and complete it very carefully. Next, take page 5 in English 2 book and take your pencil. We are going to write now. Put today's date 12/6/2020. Now we are going to write. Q. Children, dictate the letters while writing. Q. Q. Touch the lines and write. R. 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 Yes. Write it neatly and carefully. Yes. T. 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 U. 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 V. 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 W. 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 Children, don't scribble in the book. Keep your note clean and neat. X. 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 Y. 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 Dictate the letters. Z. 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 And that's our classwork. And page 6 is for homework. Don't forget to put the date. Put the date here and start to write. That's all in today's English class, and your homeworks are page 16 in literacy skills book, page 2 in small alphabet book, page 7 in handwriting book, page 6 in English 2 book. Do all the homeworks neatly. Don't scribble in the book. Thank you children. Meet you in the next class. Bye bye.